Hello everyone, this is your Lucky. Today I am going to share the special spicy crab curry in South Indian style. This is so spicy and delicious at the same time. You should try it and let me know how you liked it in the comment section. This is so special for me because I belong to Visakhapatnam coastal area all the time. I love seafood, even my kids love seafood a lot. So whenever we see fish, I cannot even wait to cook. So it's like every day I can eat a fish. I'm going to share today how we can clean the crabs from scratch as is. I got these crabs from one of the Korean stores in Dallas. I got them as fresh, live. So once you get the live crabs, you can put them in the freezer as is and they will die after a few hours. Normally I leave it for a couple of days. So I got them out of the freezer last night. Still they are very cold to touch it. So I recommend at least 12 to 15 hours ahead of time you keep them outside. So crab cleaning is very dead easy, to be frank. Just follow the instruction. You can cut the legs if you want, otherwise you can keep it to the crab as is, but I think detaching the legs will make it more easier to eat and cook. I really love crabs a lot. It's my all-time favorite food. Since I belong to Vizag and coastal area, we get seafood a lot. Any kind of fish, shrimp, crabs are my to go favorites. So I all the time cook crab a lot. But in Dallas, I think I don't see much fresh live crabs all the time. So whenever I see live, I tend to grab them. What do you guys like on the seafood? You like crabs or not? I think some of my friends doesn't even know how it tastes, and they belong to different parts of India, so it's never they never get a chance to try it also maybe. But crabs are very very tasty and very high in protein. So we have to take out that muzzle part. They call it some muzzles actually on the side you see on the crab, right? You have to clean them out. But later I'll be taking them out. For now I'm not cleaning it. I love crab cakes. Maybe next time I will try to make it. I never done crab cakes my own, but I love the taste. Maybe I want to try as a next recipe. Since I belong to Vizag, right, we have a lot of fish varieties, direct seafood varieties, right? In my childhood, almost weekly, at least twice, I used to eat. Since my mom doesn't like fish a lot, she likes only one kind of fish, so she won't cook much on the fish, but whatever she cooks, it's so delicious. So I used to enjoy a lot of seafood in my childhood. Even now, I'm very craving on the seafood, but here we don't get lot of fresh varieties. I say, the fish whatever we get, it doesn't even taste like what we get it directly from the sea. This crab cleaning takes a little bit longer time since I have only 2 right now, so it's okay. But if you have a lot of crabs, I prefer you take the cleaning part ahead of time of your cooking time because it takes time. I'm going to wash this crab's outer part, outer and some of the side parts with this rock salt and some turmeric I'm adding right now in the normal water. Since we cook as is with the shell, right, it's better to clean that shell part, outer part also. Just a plain brushing would help to take out any dirt on those. Don't put meat directly in the water because that's why I'm not dipping everything in the water right now. Just only the outer part I'm cleaning. Please do support me by liking and by leaving some comments, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, if you think it's worth to subscribe, please do that. That would be very boost for me to take some more videos. My little one likes crabs like me, she likes seafood a lot, and now she is craving to eat crabs. That's why I got this time. Even when we go to India, my sister, she gets almost like a box of crabs because it's a coastal place, right? We get it little cheaper, and also it's available to buy it, right? They're not cheaper, but at least we can get it in the box worth. And sometimes it's too much to eat also, right? We feel okay, we cannot take anymore, so we fed up of eating crab and shrimp and fish varieties if you go to Isaac. Now I'm going to clean the crabs in the hot water just for 30 seconds to a minute of time. It doesn't need to be, it cooks very faster, so don't cook it in the hot water, just to clean. I'm putting everything in the hot water and then I'll remove it within a couple of seconds. Now I'll take them out from the water. I'm not cooking anything because crab cooks very faster actually. The meat inside, it will cook very fast. Today I made this as part of Shankranti, the third day Kanuma festival occasion. So what did you guys made for Kanuma this year, guys? Just let me know in the comments. So now I'm going to prepare my masala, whatever the curry needs. I'm going to keep 1 whole onion. The red onion is preferred for the best taste. 2 green mirchi and garlic, ginger, poppy seeds, dry coconut, coriander seeds. Grind them, and your preferred oil, I'm using peanut oil here, and red mirchi, curry leaves, be cautious when you are pouring, this will spill out very faster. Try to cover it only 3/4 way so that the vapor will go out, because this has to cook and get little dried out. If you cover whole lid, right, the water will go inside again. So just keep it in this, all the time simmer to make this paste little dry. The whole intention of this is like, the rawness should go out and you shouldn't feel the smell of the onions and the masala stuff. Cook until that. I'm adding salt here, turmeric, and homemade chili powder. Make sure you are not burning it. This paste has to get little dried out so that the smells of the masala, the rawness should go out actually. So you have to, it takes little bit longer time to cook. So once you feel that it's cooked, just put one tomato. I'm just crushing with the hand, but you can cut them and put it inside. This curry is so special to me because I now cook this dish, but my sister actually, she introduced me to this dish. She cooks very good, and she cooks very tasty. So this dish I get it from her only. I try to cook after. After a few minutes, you make your judgment like low to medium high, low to medium heat, so that it shouldn't burn. So once you feel that they are really dried enough, then I'm going to put some tamarind juice here, like a little tamarind, like you just take out the pulp and put it inside. That will add really good taste to the crab curry. If you want your dish to be like a I'm adding 2-inch jaggery here. If you want your dish to be like a dry, right, don't add any water here. Like a very little tamarind juice should be enough. But if you want like a gravy style, so I just added some extra water to it. Make sure they are all well coated in the water completely. Cover it and just cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes. That should, actually they cook really fast. Yeah, if you see the shell and meat got separated completely inside. So it's already done. Just for water to become thick, I just let it for 5 more minutes. Add some garam masala of your choice. I forgot to add that step here. You are almost done with your dish. You should be able to eat it in a couple of minutes. This is so delicious. You should try and let me know how you feel it in your comments, guys. And please do subscribe, share it with your friends, whoever is needed. Thank you so much for staying with me on this journey, and thanks a lot for staying with me. Thank you, guys. Have a healthy and happy meal so that your tummies feel good. Enjoy.